Okay, here we are, the final tier of my personal rankings of the Star Wars movies. If you want to check out where I have placed the others, the links will be in the description. After this video, I will do one more on the topic, and that will be comparing my thoughts to yours. If you still haven't voted for your favourite Star Wars movie, there will be a link in the description for that also. Now, the moment you have all been waiting for. Tier 1. The tier that holds my favourite two Star Wars movies, and trust me, my absolute favourite changes all the time. So does the order, but number 2, we have The Empire Strikes Back. Now, I don't need to explain why it's at the top of my list, switching every now and again to my favourite, but always within the top 2. It's a great film, with great acting, with great action, with great and memorable moments.
I love you.
I know.
No. I am your father.
The reason it's not at the top sometimes is because of the fact it was made in the 80s. Now, I don't hate 80s films whatsoever. I love the Terminator 1 and 2, I absolutely love Rocky, and of course Star Wars. But the special effects can look dated. Often older films feel a little slower because these days we're so used to having action scene after action scene thrown at us. I mean, look at the latest Mission Impossible film. That's pretty much action scene on top of action scene. Yes, the effects in the prequels were a little dodgy, but the technology available allowed George to explore far more visually than ever before. So, if you haven't guessed already, at number 1, Revenge of the Sith. As probably my favourite opening scene to a Star Wars film ever, we finally get to see the friendship Alec Guinness spoke of in episode 4. We see the galaxy truly at war and the rise of the Sith, not to mention a load of amazing fight scenes. Palpatine and Windu is great, Yoda and Sidious, and the best one yet, Obi-Wan and Anakin. Some say it's a little too long, yeah, I can see that, but it's the conclusion to Anakin's story before Vader consumes him fully until his redemption. And it was epic. There are cheesy moments, of course there are, it's George Lucas, but Hayden Christensen gave his best performance yet, and I believed he was Anakin in this. Anyway guys, if you haven't voted already, click the link below and cast your vote. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.